Hello guys, in this video we are going to see what is smoke testing in detail. So let's get started. So let's see what is the definition of smoke testing. What is smoke testing? Okay. So smoke testing is a type of software testing that focuses on quickly checking whether the basic functionality of software application is it working correctly after new build or release. It is usually performed at the beginning of the test process, or you can say testing process, before more extensive testing such as regression testing or functional testing happens. So in the starting, at the first only smoke testing is done. So now let's see the key points about smoke testing. So starting with the purpose. What is the purpose of smoke testing? Why we are doing it? So main purpose of smoke testing is to ensure that the most critical and essential feature of the software are working as expected. It also helps to identify major issues early in the development cycle or release cycle. So this is what the purpose of smoke testing and why we are doing it. Now let's see scope of this smoke testing. Smoke testing does not do exhaustive testing of all features. It covers a narrow set of core functionality, you can say, or more referred as smoke tests. Okay, or you can say sanitary tests. Only that feature is covered in smoke testing. Not all the features are tested. Only the critical, you can say, or core functionality are being tested, which are referred to smoke test. Okay, so now let's see the third one, pass or fail. So the result of smoke test is binary. Either it is passing, which indicates the basic functionality are working, or it fails, indicating that the critical issues that need to be immediate fixed. So if it fails, further testing is postponed until the issues are resolved. Okay. Now fourth one is automation. So smoke tests often in the projects are automated to save the times and ensure consistency in testing. Usually automated scripts are created for performing basic interaction with the software, the core functionalities such as login, you can say navigation, basic input, data input, login credentials and all that are tested in this smoke testing as because it is a core functionality. If you are not able to log in the system, so it is like the core functionality, right? So that all things are automated nowadays in the project. Okay, and benefits of smoke testing, as you can see, it helps to catch the bug or issues early in the development cycle, which leads to save time and resource, because for testing also people are required, right? So resource, save times and resource also as well. It provides confidence that the software is stable enough to proceed with the further testing, comprehensive testing or exhaustive testing. Okay, now let's see regression testing. You can say once the smoke test passes, regression testing can be performed to check the software's overall stability and functionalities. Okay, so this is the basic criteria, like smoke test should be passed in the project, then only we can do the further comprehensive testings. Okay, now next is continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD. So in that also CI/CD pipeline is also using this smoke testing. It is automatically for checking if the new code changes have broken the essential functionality of the application or not after before deploying it to the environment. Okay, so this is a quite good feature of, like, if we are doing smoke testing, it is saving time and resource as well. So in short, or you can in conclusion, we can say the smoke testing is a primarily high level testing that ensure the basic functionality of software is intact before proceeding with more comprehensive testing, and the goal of is to catch major issues early in the development cycle or release process. This reduce the risk of delivering a fault product to the user. Okay, so that's it from my side. Bye, take care.